Climate Chaos by Izzy and Eve, 4B. Around the world, nearly 1 billion people go hungry each day due to the lack of resources, rising food prices and failing harvests. Climate chaos makes the solution much worse. Poor areas are finding it harder to grow food. Changing weather patterns make traditional farming more difficult. Crops yields are failing and the extreme weather is destroying fields, leaving people without food.
How old is your soul?
Hello Alfie, where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Have you been affected by severe weather?
Yep.
What kind?
If there's a big typhoon in the Philippines, there's loads of floods in the area.
Why is it a problem?
Because there's a lot of people who's affected by the typhoon and the flood because they have to evacuate from their houses to the evacuation center.
Okay. Why do you think it's causing climate chaos in your country?
Maybe because of the poor waste management. Because in the Philippines, we don't usually practice recycling. There's loads of people who's not really disciplined to throw their garbage properly like that. That's why when there's a typhoon, all the drainage is blocked with the waste.
Okay. What are people doing to try and solve this problem?
At the moment, I heard the news last time that the Philippines is encouraging the community to do the recycling and do the no plastic bag on the supermarket. You have to bring your own bag if you will buy and go to the grocery supermarket like that.
Who does it affect the most?
I think the poor people in the Philippines really affects the climate change, the typhoon, the weather disturbances.
Okay, thank you for talking to us today. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Fossil fuels such as gas, oil, and coal contain carbon from plants and animals that died millions of years ago. When we burn fossil fuels to heat our homes or drive our cars, carbon dioxide is released. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which traps heat in the Earth's atmosphere. This has always happened and helps to keep the Earth warm enough to live on. But we are now using more and more fossil fuel energy to power machines in the factories that make all the new things we buy for transport to work and school and on holiday to provide energy for our DVDs, refrigerators and tumble dryers. This means the blanket of greenhouse gases around the world is getting thicker and the climate is getting hotter. This will mean more droughts, floods and storms. It could become harder to grow enough food. 20 to 30% of plants and animals species could become extinct. The sea level could rise by 40 centimeters because the water in the ocean expands as it gets warmer and the ice caps are melting. If governments, business and individual people work together to use less energy, we can slow down climate change.
And when you're needing your space to do some navigating, I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find.